Hello, I enter the next jungle. Just watch my videos. I am looking for the lost boomerang. Maybe I can find it. This is a very, very hard place to be. I can't find my boomerang. I saw the boomerang. I saw my boomerang. I'm surviving you. The boomerang is up one of the trees. Baby. Baby. Try to watch. Right up there. Baby. I saw the boomerang. Yes, it is. Let's shake some trees. No, there. I found it. Look, this tree. Look. Thank you. Fuck. We have a problem. It's all the boomerang. Hello. We're trying to get it out. Yes. Yeah. You see? Right there. We'll kill the jungle. We're killing the jungle. Maybe we will survive. We now have a... Don't forget. I have immediately get some help from this local guy. And this one. He's very fast. We're trying to get the boomerang down from the jungle. Try to see, I did it. The boomerang is very, very close. We just tried to get it down. Try to see. There. I found the boomerang. Let's go out to the other local people in this village and throw the boomerang. Rainbow got out of the jungle. Look. I will now throw my boomerang.